In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check in using Trip.com. If you've never used Trip.com before, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step in a very simple way. First, open your browser and go to the Trip.com website, or open the Trip.com app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the same account you used to book your flight. To log in, tap on Sign In and enter your email and password, or continue with Google, Apple, or another option you used earlier. Once you are logged in, go to My Trips or Bookings. This section shows all the flights, hotels, and other services you have booked. Tap on the flight booking you want to check in for. Now you will see your flight details, including the airline name, flight number, departure time, and passenger names. Look for a button that says Check-in or Online Check-in. If you don't see it yet, it may be too early. Most airlines open online check-in 24 to 48 hours before departure. Tap on the Check-in button. In many cases, Trip.com will redirect you to the airline's official website because check-in is usually handled directly by the airline. Don't worry, this is normal. On the airline's check-in page, you will be asked to enter details such as your booking reference number and last name. Sometimes this is filled in automatically if you came through Trip.com. Follow the instructions on the screen. Next, you'll choose your seat. You may see a seat map of the airplane. Some seats are free, while others may cost extra. Select the seat you want and continue. After that, you may be asked about baggage. Confirm how many bags you are checking in. If you need to add extra baggage, you can usually do it here for a fee. Now review all the details carefully. Make sure your name, flight, and seat are correct. Then, confirm your check-in. Once completed, you will receive a boarding pass. This may appear as a QR code on the screen, and you'll also get it by email. You can download it, take a screenshot, or print it. You will show this boarding pass at the airport security and boarding gate. That's it. You've successfully checked in using Trip.com. Just arrive at the airport on time, carry your ID or passport, and you're ready for your trip. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any simple step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.